Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Josh with JC Landscaping, back in another video. So as you can see here, we have two completely different edgers. We have a straight shaft and a curved shaft. One's new, one's old, but they both look the same. So we're going to do a test here on which one works better. I'm 6'1", so I'm a little taller, and I've been using a curved shaft for several years now. To me, it's just awkward. You have to stand off to the side, and to keep it straight, it's just a pain in the ass. So we're going to do the curved shaft down this side of the sidewalk. I'm going to be coming this way with it, and the straight shaft, I'm going to go down that side. And I want you guys to take a look at the stance and how I'm walking, my position, if I'm hunched over or whatnot. So let me get this fired up. I'm gonna give my GoPro to my son, and he's gonna follow me as I get the edge. All right, so like I said, the first one we're gonna use, straight shaft. Curved shaft, and we're going the opposite direction. All right, guys, so you just seen both directions, up and down, with both different edgers. So let me get the blower out, get this cleaned off, and then you can see the final results, and you make your determination on which one you would like better. Quick glances, I think I know which one I'm leaning towards. All right, guys, so here is the after results of blowing it off. Straight edge side. Looks pretty good to me. And let's go down the curved edge side. And like I said, for me, I'm 6'1". I just felt more comfortable using the straight shaft edger instead of the curved. It just felt more comfortable to me. So that's it, guys. Just a short video. Leave in the comments what you prefer, either the straight shaft sidewalk edger or the curved shaft. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.